Hello there guys, I thought I would be able to complete the double-decker bridge trek, but then I couldn't. Hello guys, this is day 4 and it's around 3 p.m. Today we started around 8:30 in the morning from Molindong, and right now we are at Cherrapunji. It took us around 3 hours or so to reach Cherrapunji, or as they call it, Sohra. Right now we are standing near the Nongriat Falls, and just see how majestic it is. Like, it's so wonderful. It's flowing at its best. I mean, it's completely magical. Just see this. So after Nongriat Falls, we came down to Arva Cave. Well, the ticket price for entering Arva Cave is around 20 bucks, and if you are carrying a camera, they'll charge you 50 bucks per camera, I guess. So yeah, let's see what's ahead. So let's see what more we have for today. And right now we are near the Seven Sisters waterfalls. It's also known as Mosmai Falls. And I am guessing this is the last stop for the day. And so yeah. Just look at it, like, see how beautiful it is, and make sure you're coming to this place because it's actually so amazing. Hey there guys, it's day 6 and it's around 8:30 right now. So today we had planned of staying in hotel and just relaxing a bit. and in the evening we planned on going back to Shillong because we have our flights tomorrow. But well, the driver we took yesterday had like completely motivated us for Nongriat, which we had earlier planned for yesterday only, but then considering the fact that we have large backpacks, we didn't take any risk of like coming to Nongriat because it's 3,500 steps is not a matter of joke. So we are going to Nongriat today, and we are on our way actually. So right now we are almost there near the longest single route bridge. So it's raining a bit, so I just put my camera in my bag and I'm shooting via the GoPro. So it took us around 1 hour to reach the longest single decker bridge, and we are on the way to that. So let's see how it is. So finally, the first day of hope, we reached the longest long route bridge. This is a single decker one, and it's around 1 hour more from here, I guess. So let's see. I'll keep you posted. I thought I would be able to complete the double-decker bridge trek, but then I couldn't. I was there till the first living route bridge, which is the longest living route bridge. It's single-decker one. While coming down from the single-decker bridge, like I slipped twice, and I was wearing I'm wearing actually trekking shoes, but then what I found out was like trekking shoes are not well for this terrain actually, because it's very slippery. So, and accordingly I slipped twice on the bridge. So I didn't want to take the risk, and also like I was losing my breath because I'm not really used to doing these treks. So because you all know, like I'm not an adventurer. I'm more of a travel enthusiast, but not an adventurer. So I couldn't really complete it, and also like because my shoes were slipping, I lost the motivation. So I didn't want to take the risk. So like I'm going back now. I've almost like reached the top. Maybe like 15 more minutes. Yeah, maybe next time I'll be prepared for it, and maybe I'll take a shot next time when I'm prepared. Yeah, till then, goodbye.